So here's Willie's buddy. He owns a towboat company. How fast is this boat going? 66 on a tender, on a Zodiac. What's the name of that? What's the brand of that boat?
Silver Ship.
Silver Ship.
It's called an HSMST, High Speed Maneuverable Service Target.
Nice. And it's.
Wait, but you should have told me there were Suzuki's, bro. The Zooks are great.
Those are 300s? What's going on, bro? Since the boat's fast, I'm interested in it because it's fast, right? How fast is it?
I mean, I top out at like 63, 64.
63, 64, and that's with full gear.
That's full gear,
Yeah.
I got 3 tanks, I got salvage gear, pumps, 3 pumps. I'm loaded. I've never even run it without me being loaded. I'm sure it's got to be at 70.
You got enough gear in here to do what, like something like that, or?
No, I can do a 60-footer with just what I have.
What's the name of your company?
Ito.
Ito?
Ito boats, yeah. It's full of bags. I got 2 4s, 2 2s, and 4 2s, 2 4s.
So what is this pump?
Well, these are both trash pumps. They just pull out water.
Okay.
How many gallons an hour do they
these do, I think it's 150 per hour. 150 gallons per hour each one.
And what are those noodles for?
Stuff like if a boat sinks and has a hole in it, I could just stuff them
You stuff those noodles into a sunken boat?
into holes where
where it's cracked.
If they run aground or bump into, like they hit bottom.
Yeah.
It's good to just have an emergency, like I could cut it at any size I need to and just shove it in,
Gotcha.
Slow down the hole,
What's that net for?
For lobster.
and what's in this bag here, Brett?
These are salvage bags.
And then how many salvage bags do you typically keep? And what can you refloat with something like that?
Easily 60-foot boat.
Easily a 60-foot boat?
Yeah, I mean, it's 2 4,000s and I got 4 2s in here.
So 2 4,000-pound bags and 2 2,000s.
Which lift a lot more than 4,000 pounds, you know that.
Yeah.
Esta tuya? Is yours?
Yeah, you're not offshore.
How many times?
Went out of my house.
You're gonna take yours out? Alright guys, so we're gonna take out the 25 Talon with the Verado 300s that are flashed to 350s. And how big is this boat? 25?
No, it's 28.
28? And we're gonna take out the 28 with the twin 300s. Mr. Voltvice is gonna get a video with the towboat. With Ito boats. Brand, make, model. What is this?
This is a 2009 Silver Ship.
Okay.
Malloy, all the way back up. Yeah, the original build was from Silver Ships. This was one of the Navy boats. It was the high-speed maneuverable targets.
Okay.
So it was a comm boat. So they would take this, they'd have it on a Navy ship, and a guy would operate it from a control. And it had a control box. It was unmanned. It had twin 250 Mercuries, and they would shoot at it with small arms.
Really?
Yeah. So it was basically a target.
It's a target boat.
It was It was literally designed to have target practice. Some of them are still like unconfirmed where they're at or anything because they are out there, Some of them sink, some of them don't. It all depends on how bad they get shot up. But
Badass.
This one survived.
That's badass. Love this shit. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Hit him up out of the hole. Wait, that's a misfire.
Oh, yeah, you can tell me. Right now, we got about 150 gallons of fuel.
150 gallons? That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm 54. G-Ride's nice. With this boat you can get to the jobs fast, huh?
Oh yeah.
You beat. Is there any other towboat faster than this one right now?
Right. There's another company that's really fast, but their boat's a little lighter. So it's, if any type of conditions, sea conditions, that
They
are
can't get
over
it out there?
2 to 3 feet, they're not staying in the water. They're coming out. You know. So this has better. You know, it holds the water. Yeah, that's what I was topping before. Was about 64.
I bet you've got all that gear you get to 70.
Oh yeah, he's heavy right now.
For sure.
He's hauling ass.
Yeah, it is pretty quick for this.
Holy shit, I was like, goddamn.
For all the gear, I mean,
Crazy, yeah.
I would say for all the gear that's on here, it's pretty impressive. I got a compressor in here too. I got like it's literally a gas compressor, so it's not like that thing weighs probably, I don't know, 90 to 100 pounds itself.
Man, there's like one of those brownies third low things. Or...
No, it's not the Brownings one. It's a Honda.
Phone number one more time.
The phone number is 305-725-4129.
Okay, and you go
24/7.
Anywhere in South Florida.
Anywhere in South
Bimini.
Florida. Yeah, we go to Bimini, we go to Nassau, we go to Freeport.
Okay.
Wherever, you know, if the call comes in, we run.
And you'll be there fast.
Yeah, I mean, emergency response too. You know, we're obviously, you know, 24/7. You know, if a call comes in at 3, 4 in the morning, one of us is responding.
Okay.
You can guarantee one of us will be out. You know.
Nice.